From 1967, Volvo had a closed circuit engine breathing set up. So there was a hose feeding filtered air into the engine, out through the flame trap and back into the inlet manifold. So you have a choice when buying the 3-bolt airbox from me, that if you still have that closed circuit system, which we like for dusty events or dusty climates, then you can simply screw in the adapter like so. However, if, as we generally prefer in the UK, you run on a breather that vents to atmosphere and doesn't draw air from the air filter, then simply put the alternative plug-in that's supplied with the kit. So screw it in from the outside, and then it's an 8mm hex drive there, and there you go, all plugged. So your choice, breather or engine breathing to atmosphere.